Okay. Our following video is the changing of mixed numbers to improper fractions as a follow-up to a previous video, which was changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. We may want to change a mixed number to an improper fraction if we are going to multiply or divide, just to get a very concise answer. So we have some simple steps here, which is to multiply the outside number times the denominator, then add the numerator, and then keep your denominator. So for example, if we have 11 2/3, we're going to follow our steps. We're going to multiply the outside number times our denominator, add our numerator, and then keep our denominator. So 11 times 3 is 33, plus 2, 34, 35. Keep your denominator. So outside times the denominator, add the numerator, keep your denominator. And to double check this, if we did 35 divided by 3, it would be 11 whole, which would be my whole number, but I would have 2 left over. So 2/3 would be my new fraction. All right, let's try another example. So we have 3 4/5, and we're going to follow our steps. We're going to multiply our outside number times our denominator. 3 times 5 is 15, which makes sense because 5 over 5 plus 5 over 5 plus 5 over 5. So 3 5/5 is 3 wholes. So 5, 10, 15. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3 wholes. So now I'm showing this 15/5. That's how I'm showing 3 wholes in an improper way, because 15 divided by 5 is 5, 10, 15. It's 3 wholes. Okay, now I add, so I do 3 times 5, 15. Then I add my numerator, because this isn't just 15/5. I have 4 extra fifths that I have to add on to it. So 3 times 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Keep your denominator. So this becomes your new numerator when you multiply and add, and you keep your denominator. So my new answer would be 19/5. And let's try one more example. So some of my students used to say, use your MA, multiply, add. So start on the outside over here, then multiply down, add the top, and keep the bottom. Just a little bit of repetition always helps. So if you have to rewatch the video, pause, go back. If you go through it and do about 3, 4 problems, you'll have it down pat. All right, so our last example is going to be 4 2/15. So I use my same strategy. It might be a little more intimidating because I have a larger denominator here, but same strategy. Outside number times your denominator. And we can think about the clock here. So we have 15-minute increments, and we do that 4 times, it's going to be 60. Okay, so 4 times 15 is 60. Then we add our numerator, 61, 62, and keep our denominator because they're still cut into 15 pieces. So even though we're talking about whole numbers, we're breaking down these 4 whole numbers into 15 out of 15 plus 15 out of 15. They're split still into 15ths, into pieces of 15. So 15 out of 15, 15 out of 15. I apologize, it's a little sloppy, but these are our four holes right now. So we have these 4, 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 holes, 4 holes, and that will be 15, 30, 45, 60. So this 60 over 15, 60 divided by 15 represents that 4, but we still need to add this